How to create group logic. What is group logic? Group logic is the logic that defines when and by who a group of scenes will be viewed. Group logic is defined by parameters, operations, and values. Creating group logic is very similar to creating scene logic. We can decide to create a group of scenes in order for groups of scenes to be viewed together or not to be viewed, based on the logic for the group. First, I will decide which scenes I would like to create a group with. I'd like to create a group with scenes 2 and 3, so I can simply drag and drop scene 3 onto scene 2, and I've created a group. I will now click on the group, and my group type comes up. Here I am being asked if I'd like to create a sequence where all the scenes will be displayed once their conditions are met, or alternative scenes, where the first scene that meets its conditions will be the only scene to be displayed. I'd like to choose the sequence, which has already been marked. I can now go ahead and click on Group Logic on the bar, on the very lower part of the screen. This group will be shown only when all the following conditions are met. Now I can click on the plus sign and select a parameter. So if, for example, I would like a group of scenes to be seen only when there is a new customer, I can add a parameter and call it customer type. And click OK. So, if the customer type is a new customer, then and only then will this group of scenes be seen. New customer. Once I finish putting in the logic, I can click on the little arrow and move it down. So now this group of scenes will only be shown if there is a new customer. If there is an existing customer, they will not see these scenes. And there we have it.